Okay guys, so right here we get the Vitamix. This is the Vitamix 6300. There's a lot of different Vitamix out there, but they're all super good. What I love about Vitamix is that it's the same type of blenders they use in Jamba Juice and Starbucks, so you know it's the same quality that they use in commercial places that you can have right at your very own home. What makes their technology really good is the blade design. Now their blades is not even sharp, it's actually dull by design. They use like aircraft grade steel hardened blades that are designed to push and pulverize the stuff in the blender. So it doesn't use very sharp blades, but it pushes with so much torque and power that just pulverizes everything. So with that technology, it's able to blend like frozen fruits and ice into something super smooth. And that's what makes a smoothie a really good smoothie from just a smoothie, right? Because you have the potential to make it really smooth, and I have not found any other blender that can make things as smooth as the Vitamix. Also, the speed control is amazing, so check this out. If you look closely there, we have a dial, right? The variable speed control, with that dial, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve a variety of texture. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend too, so you can just change this dial, and it's a smooth knob. You can rotate this while you're blending, so you have full control. Like, you know this thing can blend super rich, super smooth, right? But sometimes you don't want that super smooth, super rich texture, right? You want something that's a little bit chunky, and that's possible too because like I said, this dial lets you adjust the blend while it's running, so you're in full control. So you can come up with a lot of different amazing recipe, whether it's dipping and sauces or soup or whatever you want. You have full control. This thing is amazing. With the Vitamix itself, you can find thousands of recipes online to make some amazing creation, some amazing fruit drinks, some amazing smoothie, amazing soup, amazing pasta, sauce. You can do so very much with the Vitamix. We've been using it to make like hot soup. We've been able to make it to make frozen desserts, and my favorite is to make protein shakes because literally we can throw in some frozen fruits, some peanut butter, some protein powder, a little bit of milk or some water, mix it up, blend it. It's so good. You can mix anything together and blend it into a very delicious drink. So you can really just toss things in here and come up with a nice treat, especially if you want something that's low calorie, low fat. You can just do something as simple as just putting some frozen fruits in here, blend it up, and you have a tasty, delicious frozen dessert with low calories, and it's so simple. Oh, I should also mention, very easy to wash too, because this thing within 30 or 60 seconds can clean itself. All you do is you put a drop of liquid dishwashing soap and warm water into your Vitamix, turn it on for 30-60 seconds, and it cleans itself. And yeah, we've been using this for well over 10 years. It comes with a 7-year warranty, but we've never had a problem with it. The blade, like I said, it's not even sharp by design, so it just pulverizes things, and it's stainless steel, so it has never rusted on us. And over 10 years, we love this thing, and if ever we wanted to buy another one, we would definitely go with Vitamix because by far, there's no other brand of blenders that we like more than Vitamix. And you know, Jamba Juice, Starbucks, all the big smoothie companies out there, they use Vitamix blenders in their store. So why not just go for the best? If they have all the money in the world and they choose to use Vitamix blenders in their stores and all their franchise stores, then you know it's the best blenders out there. So we're really happy with it, and we highly recommend the Vitamix. It's probably going to be the last blender you buy. Seriously, get a Vitamix and you'll be totally happy with your purchase.